you going? Come back. Leave me in the dust. Yo, Krez, what's up, dude? It's so cold out here, dude. I wore the wrong attire. Yo, Profanity, what's up? This is a dog walk stream. We walking dog. Yo, Tim Q, how you doing, dude? Yeah, it's a dog walk stream. Oh, man. Alright. What even happened here? Yeah, it's a pretty cool forest. Yo, is this crisis? Boys, I had severely underestimated the temperature. It's literally like June. How is it this cold? This country is ridiculous. Need to come to Canada. If I was wearing pants, this would be alright. But I'm not wearing pants. Man, they've been cutting down this forest. It kind of sucks. This has been my walk spot for over half a decade. And it's getting smaller and smaller. Is this the world after Corona? Yeah, I just do dog walk streams now. I actually recently got tested for Corona. I came back negative. Iced coffee, if you're in the States, I believe it's about 50 degrees right now. That's probably some bad conversion in my head, so. Yeah, we're getting a cold front. Yo, what's up, Sloppy Break? How you guys doing? Yeah, it's 10 Celsius. Can you do it, Bear? Can you do it? Come on, buddy. Oh, good boy. You didn't quite clear it, but you're over. Yo, Smithy, how you doing? No, not really. Large iced coffee. I feel like you've... Bear, you okay? Jeez. I feel like you've been with me on like all my bear walk streams. I'm not complaining. It's just nice to see you, buddy. Working and watching Twitch. Oh man, I wish I had that luxury. Man, it's too hot where I'm in, where are you in, Ontario? I'm in Ottawa. Smithy, welcome on in, buddy. Yo, Robin, 13 months. Robin, it is cold out here. Robin, thank you so much for the 13 months. What, Bear? What? Bear, what's going on? Bobbin? He doesn't even care. 13 months? Dude, a freaking spider just like dove down in front of me. Yeah. 3 hours away from Toronto. Okay. I was looking at moving to Hamilton, and then Hamilton got really expensive, and I said no. Yo, Ulysses. Good morning. Yeah, it's a bit nipply. Like, the top half of me is fine. It's the bottom half. I'm wearing shorts. I mean, am I wrong? It is May 31st. Is that not normally the time that normal people wear shorts? Huh, Canada? Watch out for the sack squatch. How you doing, Hoozle? Yo, Nayada. So yeah, this is the first bear walk stream of the year. I don't know if you guys saw the Discord announcement, but I've been having quite the month. So I figured I wanted to at least get one stream in this week. So I thought, why not a dog walk stream? Yo, Staff, how you doing, dude? It's definitely sick weather today. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Unfortunately, I don't have Timbits for Bear, so I can't give Bear Timbits for subs and whatnot. A, because of Corona, but also B, because I am too afraid to get food in general right now. The city that I'm living in. Oh, I'm not a big sports guy, Sloppy. Yo, Scouts and Manners, how you doing? But yeah, Sloppy, I'm not a big sports guy, so I wouldn't be able to guess by sports trivia. But if you're 3 hours from, would that be Windsor? Coronavirus is an asshole? Yeah. Yeah, doobie. Bear, come here. But you got the sports guy on at the barbecue outfit on. Yeah, I do. I got like an open hoodie, shorts, flip-flops, hat. Yo, Swedlund, how you doing? Bear! He's so far ahead. Look at him go. He's ditching me. It's sock weather. Peterborough, okay. But Peterborough's not 3 hours, is it? I thought Peterborough was like an hour at most. Yo, Mew Lynx. What, Bear? Bear, what's going on? What, Mew Lynx with a 18-month resub? Oh my god. I'm trying to whisper because I think there's other people here and it's really awkward. I'm just like a lone guy in the woods yelling. Where are we going, Bear? What, Bear? Smithy with a 28-month resub? Oh my god. Arrgh. Look at his dog. Look at his dog. Oh, got a mosquito. Smithy, ow, my back. Smithy, me, oh shit, there's more. What, Bear? House flaking with a 23-month Twitch Prime resub. It's really hard to be quiet and yelling at the same time. Yo, House Viking, thank you for the 23 months, dude. Mew Lynx, thank you so much for 18 months. That's not a short amount of time. It's really not. I hope you've been doing well, Mew Lynx. Swedlin, I've been good. Well, no, I haven't been good, Swedlin, but I'm good today. I feel a lot better. I hope you've been well. And Smithy, thank you for the 28 months. It's kind of weird to me that we're going to be seeing 30 to 39 months soon. That's weird. But I have new badges coming. Once I deal with the stuff I announced on the Discord. But we got new badges. Not that you need it. You got that founder's badge. You killing it over there. Smithy, thank you so much, man. That's not a short amount of time. I really appreciate it. And House Viking with the 23 months. House Viking. Hold on, I'm trying to. All right, never mind. I was gonna give you a bear pet. House Viking, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Almost 2 freaking years. You guys are nuts. Yo, Abby. Good morning. Yeah, guys, look. I'm at a crossroads. Where do I go? Where can I go? You have the scream donations. That's the rule. Oh God. All right. Fuck! I didn't turn on the bot before I left. Oh shit, me Lynx. I hope you're okay. I actually recently got tested for COVID. I came back negative, luckily. I mean, not that I thought I really had it, but I mean, I was at the hospital, so why not? Takes like 2 seconds. Bear? That's true. I'm yelling bear in the middle of the woods. Okay, where should I go, guys? Should I go this way? Should I go that way? This way is sketch. That's Muddy Town. That way's back to my car, and that way is the way we just came from. You gonna get a frozen lemonade? Can I have a frozen lemonade? You remember last time when we went into the woods and got lost? That was kind of cool. We should do that again. No Muddy Town? Alright, let's go to not Muddy Town. What do you got there, Bear? Yo, Sink, what's up, dude? Use knife on tree branch? You get this fucking mosquito away from me. Dude, I can't stand mosquitoes. I hear the UK doesn't have them, and it makes me very, very jealous. What if an actual bear hears you and thinks it has a friend? Well, then that bear would have a friend. I ain't gonna judge. But if it attacks me, that's not my friend. Give Scooby snacks. People always take the safe route. I bet everyone will survive and get home in the end. Alright, let's take the safe route. Where's the excitement? This point and click sucks. Wow! This point and click is beautifully animated, okay? We could go this way. Look at that. Where's that go? Yeah, fuck you, mosquito. What now? He's just been streaming from the woods since last time. I've been here a year. Alright, let's go this way. I could take you guys to the quarry. Yeah, let's go to the quarry. Why not? I only get to go there so many more times. They recently sold it, so I don't know what it's getting turned into. Bear, where are you going? Wanna go throw rocks down at the quarry? You want a dolphin friend? I think a dolphin friend would be kind of cool. They're smart. I hear they're kind of assholes though. Bear, what's going on? You get like spooked? You don't like this big tree? Yeah, it's pretty spooky. Now he's sniffing that rock. Maybe he just likes the rock, I don't know. What do you guys think? Is that a cool rock? This looks like a rock to me. Cursed Madden Quarry. You saw something to my left? What do you see? You found a new life as a lumberjack? A dolphin friend would just try and trick you to jerk it off all the time. Hoozle, is that true? Are dolphins a bunch of horn dogs? They're turning it into an even bigger quarry. You want a rock friend? There's one right there. It's covered in moss. Trees. Trees to the left. What's to the right? Also trees. Robin, are you normally up this early? Well, then again, it's not that early, right? It's like 10 a.m. or something. I feel like I got up early. Bear is so far ahead. How are we gonna catch up? Am I walking slow? Or is he walking fast? A friend. Which of these trees would you say dolphin intelligence is real? Where the okay. Who's like just read the jerk off story? Where are your friends, Nayada? Yeah, Nayada, we're your friends. We're here for you. You've been up since 8 a.m.? I got up at 7:30, I think. 7:21 on the nose. Oh, you feed the rabbit overlords at 7? So many rabbits. I like rabbits. Rabbits are cute. And they're funny. And their noses wiggle a lot. I don't know why they do that. But it's cute. Getting close to 10. That's a new path. What the hell? Bear, what should we do? Should we go down the new path? Take the new path? Oh, shit. Don't? Holy shit. This is a horror story? Bear! I don't know. Let's see if you guys can find him. There he is. They're mood indicators? Oh. I didn't know that. We don't go to Ravenholm? You watch all those horror movies? Yeah, but like I keep watching horror movies. Like I don't learn. Bear, come here. He's not listening to me. Man, he's an old grumpy dog. Bear! Come here! The reverb on my voice right now? Insane. Here he comes. Wait, he stopped. No, Bear, come here! Hey! Come here! There you go. Oh, he coming. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yo, Lionhead, how you doing? I'm feeling a bit better. I was feeling pretty not great the last couple of weeks, but yo, TJ Thrilla, how you doing, dude? It's been a minute. As far as we do have mosquitoes in the UK. Oh shit. Everyone from the UK keeps telling me that they don't have mosquitoes. Alright, we're gonna go down the new path. So I don't know what's down here. This is spooky. If I see mud, I'm turning around. I've been better, TJ, but, you know, I'm pretty good right now. This is a pretty good way to end my week. Probably too cold with the UK. Well, they also don't like rain, right? Or do they like humidity? Either it's they don't like humidity or they do like humidity. Ow. A bear walk is good soul food. Used to walk my grandma's dog and kept eating field mice. What kind of dog was it? Where is this going? So I'm gonna try and do like at least bare minimum 2 bear walks a month, I think. So I do gotta I haven't delivered on those 32 bear walks that I promised. But especially with like all the stuff that's been happening to me lately, I think I need more exercise. I've been cramped up in my house because of the whole corona situation for forever. The UK doesn't have wasps? What the fuck? Oh, you do have wasps? Robin, we're so ignorant. We're like, yeah, the UK doesn't have this and that. one UK person comes in. What are you talking about? Where are we? This is like a whole new world. That path looks beautiful. Yeah, it's really nice out here. Uh-oh. Stinky dead end. What do we got, Bear? It's like a hangout spot. Oh, shit. That might be too tall for Bear. And he could crawl under right there, but... Oh, what's up, buddy? No, I don't want you hurting yourself trying to jump over that. You might have to turn around. It has Norwegian elk hound. Oh, a Norwegian elk hound. Used to track moose. Holy shit. Yeah, check out all these ignorant Canadians. Oh no, a barrier? TJ, me mad. I heard that you don't have mosquitoes. I just heard from Robin you don't have wasps. Now, I trust Robin. But she's also not from the UK. No, don't you do it. You're going to get all messy. Come on, let's turn around. Come on. Let's go back. I heard... All right, what do you... Guys, name some facts about the UK. Let's learn. All right, here's a fact. The UK has the best food in the world. Yo, Iceman. Oh, I ain't doing it. Or am I doing it? Oi, I'm Iceman. I can't do it. Don't you clip that. I'll ban you right now. You walk north, a fallen tree blocks your path. What we do? Turn around and go north. Actually, this would be west. I smell like raspberries. That's not even like a bad thing to smell like. Yeah, we gotta come back with the saw. Don't trust me. Yo, Doogie. Doogie, how you doing, dude? He smells like them because he's sweet. Ooh. They do have crimpers and Yorkshire pudding. Yorkshire pudding is so good. It's been like 10 years since I had it, though. How did I manage to come in while we were discussing UK? I feel like I was summoned. Oh, you were summoned, Figwort. How you doing? Figgy? Emily? I don't know, I gotta get used to this new name. How you doing, Emily? UK is some of the best comedians in the world. That I can believe, yeah. It's all in my house. I love British breakfast. Oh, man. I had mac and cheese for breakfast. No, Iceman. No, we don't. You can't prove that Australia had it first. You literally can't prove it. So, you know what? I can literally just say the same thing about Australia. Guys, did you know Australia takes a lot of Canadian treats, just renames them, claims them as their own, then gives them a silly little name? There's this one food. What the hell is it called? Iceman had me look it up. It literally looks like turds. The UK has ASDAs everywhere. What's an ASDA? I'm having a pretty good walk, Emily. Freaking... Ow. Alright, I had a good walk and I just stubbed my toe on a rock. Yo! Bear? What? The age range? With a 19-month resub? Oh my god! Yo, Addie, how you doing, dude? Look at this little dog. Well, we have chocolate mint milk and you don't. Hate to see it. Iceman. Now look, hear me out. I respect people's love for mint. Hell, I respect people's love for chocolate mint. I know some pretty amazing people who love chocolate mint. You know what? I want another path? What the fuck? I'm not going. I'm just sticking to the main one. But me, Me no like mint. Mint tastes like toothpaste. And when I bite down into a chocolate bar, I want to taste chocolate. I don't want to be tasting toothpaste. You gosh dang Luddite. Yeah, the curly whirly. Man, you got to get your ass over here and gorge. Yo, I want some Yorkshire puddings. I own the country? Yeah. I'm like Kim Jong-il eating all the cheese. Oh, it's basically Walmart. Okay. Oh, it's a supermarket retailer. Gotcha. Yeah. We actually have a lot of British culture in Canada. It's kind of cool. I like Canada for that. We're like a little mismatch of American and British culture. Yo, Blood Mage Grindel, how you doing, dude? Fucking get out of here, you stupid mosquito. It was like in the groove of my ear, dude. What? Bear? Hold on. Bear? It's echoing. I can literally hear it echo. Oh shit, there's people behind me. Tiny Mr. Man. Alright, we're going to the quarry. Code red. Bear's off his leash. That's illegal. We gotta get him back. Oh, this turned in. Bear, what's going on? What? Dude, oh god, I think there's a mosquito on my face. This is really awkward talking to myself while there's literally people behind me. This is walking sick. Yo, Zerge, what's up? Tiny Mr. Man, 26 months. Yo, what's going on, dude? You are toothpaste. Bear, come on. Alright, new plan. We're gonna duck into the side. This is Social Anxiety, the video game. You thought this shit was boring? Well, just kicked it up. Mint chocolate is for grandmas. Alright. That's the main path. We're ducking into the left. Bear, come on. This is also a safety hazard. Because technically Corona. Okay. I can't abide this mint chocolate slander. Or slander? Yeah. Yorkshire. Are those the path of exile? Luddite. Yeah, I was talking to Robin about that word yesterday. Have you ever tried toothpaste in a different flavor? I had strawberry one and it was nightmare. Oh shit. Bear! Hey! Bear! Sorry. Hey! Sorry about that.
It's okay. She's happy to see.
Hey! Bear, come on. Sorry about that. Awkward. Oh god. Kill me now. Dude, there's like literally never anyone here. Okay, I think we're safe. What about Mintu? What is Mintu? I don't think I've ever had that. Yorkshire. Ow! Dude! This root just kicked my ass. Death of mint flavored foods. Strawberry toothpaste, spearmint. Oh, you guys are still talking about the chocolate? Shit, I'm so far up the chat, hold on. Some situation you've roped yourself into. Bear is breaking the law. Still talkie action. Figwort, thank you so much. What, Bear? Bear, you're bad. You didn't listen to me. I don't know what's with him lately. Doesn't listen to me anymore. Figwort, thank you for the 14 months. What, Bear? Yeah, that's right. Yo, Yellow Herb, how you doing? Yo, Iceman. I mean, what the fuck? Crash Live. Oh shit, you guys saw my feet? I'm getting banned. Stop wearing flip flops in the woods. I can't. It's so nice. Oh, I'm so annoyed. He didn't listen to me. Bear is so like mild mannered. Like he just straight up ignored me when I tried to call him back. His red rocket's out. Shit. Dingleberry, how you doing? He's listening to Rage Against the Machine. He's in his crotchety years. Yo, Nick, how you doing? All right, I'm caught up to chat. I was so far behind. Sorry, guys. Yorkshire. And Figwort and Tiny. I didn't get to properly give Tiny Mr. Mana a thank you for the sub, but there's literally people all around me. I actually, like, no joke, I come to this forest because it is dead. There's never anyone here. That's the most people I've ever seen in 6 years at this place. No, it isn't nice. Lyme disease. No, I'm not wearing shoes. Make me. Maybe I will next time. The problem is that I have 3 pairs of footwear. I have the flip flops. I have my Vans, which are annoying to clean, so I don't try and wear them. And then I have like winter boots. Surgeon, that's how it feels. There's literally never anyone here. The guy looked really unamused. It was like an older couple, and they like, I was like, sorry. The woman seemed fine with it, but the old guy was like glaring me down. Yo, this new Silent Hill looks dope. Yo, what's up, Nola? How you doing, dude? And Tiny Mr. Man, thank you so much for the 26 months, dude. I hope you're still there. I hope I didn't miss the chance to thank you, but thought I heard someone. But yeah, Tiny Mr. Man, thank you so much, man. That is not a short amount of time. Thank you so much. And oh, my nose is running. Stupid runny nose. It's too cold. What's going on? And Figwort, thank you for the 14 months. Thanks, Emily. Yo, what's up, too? Still here, man. Just lurking. No worries. I'm gonna be doing either in June. I'm gonna be going through the VR games, or July. Absolutely gonna be July at the latest. So, Tiny Mr. Man was actually nice enough to give me Half-Life Alyx, which is pretty freaking awesome. So I can't wait to play that. I had the same experience the first walk I went on after lockdown, saw more people. Yeah, Abby, this is scary. I don't like this. I'm like standing out here in the woods now. Yo, what's up, Dr. Fox? Local trail. I go every day, is normally always dead safe for the odd dog walker. Yo, Hacklin, how you doing? That's July 2021. Wow. Yeah, Resident Evil 7. Yo, Quad Damage, how you doing? I'm not dragging you for the flip-flops. I'm just worried about ticks. No, there's no ticks in this forest as far as I know. We don't have a tick problem as much as, say, like the South. I know when I had bear down in South Carolina for a bit, yeah, it got kind of bad. I had to get him to a vet pretty soon after I got him back. Nope, no spoilers. I know literally nothing about. Addie over here flexing. You see that in the background to the right? What? Did you see something? Wow! No, get Udit. First off, I'm using the Twitch app, so there's no alert. Second off, that was actually pretty good. I thought you saw something cool. Oh, Bear's itchy. Hey, buddy. Oh, your face is all wet. You've been foiled by the lack of OBS. So here's the problem that we're running into right now. If I keep going that way, I lose signal. But if I keep going that way, I get put into an awkward situation. What do we do? Hey, Bear. You want... Alright. Pat stream. Everyone type Pats if you want me to keep patting them. Hey, buddy. Arr. His little old man mustache. Yeah, Bear, look at me. Hey, you wanna go pee? I don't know why he looks at me like that. He's like outside, he can pee whenever he wants. Let Bear decide. What you looking at? You want that stick? Infinite Pats? Oh god, we gotta keep going. Look, it's like Doom. Dude. Checkmate. Man. I'm not a computer program. You can't do that. Oh. Leash is pretty tight around my neck. I'm hanging the leash off my neck. Dude, weird. Look at him go. Look, where's he going? The audacity of this dog lately. We should have just went to the quarry, man. He's giving you the dude weird look. Socializing, getting lost off the grid. What do you guys think? Should I socialize? Alright, jokes aside though, like, coronavirus. I don't want to get near people. Yo, do you see Bear? It's like, where's Waldo? Oh, where's he going? Do you own Pine Barrens episode? Just swing my way out of the forest. Bear, come here. Alright, we gotta go back. Because I literally can't go that way. Do you have a mask? No, because I didn't think anyone would be here, dude. There's never anyone here. This is why I come to this forest. It's awesome. I can come out here and yell at my phone. But now I can't. Yo, Agamar, how you doing? Alright, Agamar. Are we quarrying? We could go to the quarry. I think literally if I climb over that hill, I'll be there. Let's try it. Let's like really go off the beaten path here. Yeah, I don't need a map. Like when I went to the hospital the other night, obviously I brought a mask. All right, we're up high. But where go now? The sing musical numbers. Okay. Yeah, pretty much. Like I just wear it because it's better to be safe than sorry. Ow! Ow! Look at this shit. Come on, focus. Look at that. Oh, I'm surrounded by it. Oh shit. I'm dead. Boys, I'm dead. Robin, I think you'd be fine at this point. We're kind of on the ass end of the whole quarantine. It's more of a safety precaution than like an absolute must need. Fuck you, Earth. Alright. Let's go this way. No, there's more spiky shit. Dude, this sucks. What you finding, Bear? So behind there is actually the quarry, but this is so thick. There's like no way I'm getting past that. I immediately apologize for the suggestion of the quarry. Maybe you wore actual shoes. Well, maybe I didn't plan to go off the beaten path here. You stepped in my trap card. What if I like... I could try and get through that. That is some seriously thick brush though. Hold on. Hold on. Excuse me, Bear. Hold on. Ugh. Calm down, Bear. Alright. Yeah, this is like pretty much a wall. Thick boy forest. You want... He's trying to take that giant stick. If you jump on the right frame, you can clip right into the quarry. Yo, Abby! Abby, help me! I'm freaking stuck. Hello? You okay? You need to relax. Just punch the branches. Bear's a chocolate lab. Imagine families having a picnic and just watch this dude hunch over the forest with a dog talking to his head. This is the future, boy. You don't, if you don't get it, I guess you just don't get it. The future's pretty weird, man. It's just a guy talking to his phone surrounded by trees. I'm out of bounds. Yeah, I clipped out and I was stuck. Brian jumped to the mouse wheel. Boot life? Yeah, I mean... I fucked up. Abby, get me out. Does Hammerhead jump through the trees, prove your dominance? I mean, we could. This is a brand new hoodie, though. Not that big. Ugh. What do we do, Bear? Like, he's just chilling in here with me. My little prison. My little nature prison. Like, I could, like, push through here. Alright. Alright, let's go. Dude, this sucks. Ow! Oh, whip me in the face. Hold on. We're going. Oh, what the fuck? This tree is just straight up in the way. Boys, I don't think we can go. I think this is it. No, you flexing on me, you gosh dang dog. Come back. Yeah, where's Polka? Polka wouldn't have let me do this. Actually, he totally would have let me do this. Alright. Alright, we're going. We're going. I'm just walking. Fuck you, nature. Oh, my shirt. Oh, this sucks. Ow. Alright. Oh, we did it. I don't know where we are, though. Boys, what is this place?